Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's video starts right here in my small house. So today I've realized that we have some crops or weed and some leaves that are destroying my materials for house construction. As usual, I have to wear those slippers and close my door. Yeah, close my door. That's the dust. So I have to close my door and go to check how my materials are doing. So on this is my ballast. I have realized there are some crops that are growing and spreading on my ballast, and they can as well destroy. As you can see, we have pumpkin leaves. There are pumpkin leaves there. We have some weed and some leaves. Yeah, they make my ballast look dirty. And we have some, this is a guava plant, and yeah, guava plant. And we have our cat there. Our cat is here. So as you can see, my ballast can be destroyed. So these are my blocks. As you can see from my previous videos, you may have seen them. So, and again, I have also realized that on my sand we have some leaves. So these are leaves that come from those trees that are these trees here. So they come from this up there, then they drop down. They make the environment look dirty. So should I cut those trees or clean the environment each and every day? So as you can see, I have also realized that these leaves are dirtifying my sand. And as usual, sand is not that cheap. It's very expensive. You can see all those leaves. But what I will do is to hire someone professional to clean it without messing with my sand. You can see sticks, leaves, different leaves from different plants. All these are destroying my sand. So I'll have to pick them myself or hire someone to do it on my behalf and pay him or her. So sometimes children play on this sand. They scatter some of this sand. You can see all those are different leaves from different plants. You can see all these are leaves. And around it I arranged some blocks. There are around 30 of them, so that they can prevent it being swept away by rainwater. So that's the plant that produces those leaves, as you can see. So I'll have to hire someone to come and clean it and clean this mess. So all these are the leaves that are dirtifying my sand, and I'm almost starting to construct my house. So all those are dry leaves. So let me try to arrange this block. It fell. So I think when children were playing on this sand, they messed up with that block. It is very heavy, as you can see, and the size of this block again is 6 by 9. 6 by 9. So you can see all this sand has scattered here, and on top of this sand we have a lot of dry leaves. A lot of dry leaves. So I don't know what I'm going to do. So because if I pick them today, if I hire someone to pick them today, maybe tomorrow and some days to come, all of this sand will again be dirtified by these leaves. So the best way is just to clean it every after 3 days or 4 days. Yeah, as you can see, I have some blocks on that wall. Yeah, all these leaves, I have to do something. I have to do something so that it can look clean, because it's not good this sand to be contaminated. Let me use that term, to be contaminated or to be impurified or to be dirtified by these leaves. It has to look clean so that it cannot give hard time for the masons or those who will be constructing my house. It will not give them hard time to clean the sand, at the same time to use it to construct my house, my dream house. So guys, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel so that we can construct this house together, as you follow closely the progress of the construction. Yeah, so this is my small compound, and this is my ballast. It cost around it was 9,000 Kenyan shillings. On my previous videos I mentioned something like 900, so it was an error. So this is actually cost 9,000 Kenyan shillings. So on this you can see I have different flowers growing on my ballast. Yeah, and I think this ballast came with those seeds, with the seeds that are growing on my ballast. So yeah, as you can see, those are my blocks covered with plastic paper. Yeah, you can see all this is dirt, dry leaves. That's my iron sheet house. Yeah, so guys, consider subscribing, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be the first one to watch, to like, to comment. Yeah, so today's video is about the progress of these materials, sand and ballast. I've realized that they are being destroyed by these dry leaves. So guys, I'm almost ending this video. Thank you for watching until this time, and let's meet in the next video, God willing.